Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp QR code not scanning. So first of all, and before moving to the app of WhatsApp, there is some few things that you should be sure of for the QR code scanning to work well. So the first thing, when you open web.whatsapp.com, be sure if the QR code scanning doesn't work well in the beginning to refresh the page of web.whatsapp.com. Also be sure that your camera is not blurry, and also be sure that your camera lens is clean, because sometimes when the camera lens is dirty it can detect the QR code. And if all those things are good, you have just to go to WhatsApp, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen, and go to linked device and click on link device. And after that it tells you here that you have to open web.whatsapp.com on your desktop or other devices. After you click OK, when the camera will detect the QR code, it will directly connect to the accounts. And if still didn't detect your QR code, you have in that case just to restart your phone and refresh the app, and I'm pretty sure that everything will work well for you. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you